first you need to start coin acceptor machine from the 12-volt power supply, and after that you need to press this is the plus button and this is the minus button and this is set button. First you need to press this both button at the same time, and when you see A, then hold set button, and after that you will see E. And in this case we need to set how many coins we need to program in coin acceptor machine. So we are going to program 3 coin, and after that I need to press set button, and here I need to set a sample of first coin. Here I am setting 15 samples, and after that I need to press set button, and here I need to set pulse. For first coin I am setting 1 pulse, and after I am clicking set again, and this is the accuracy, and we need to set 11 accuracy for each coin. Now first coin is done, and now we need to go to second coin, and in that again we need to set a number of samples. And after set, here I am going to set 2 pulse for second coin, and again accuracy will be 11. And third coin, first we need to set number of samples, and pulse for third coin we are going to set 3 pulse, and accuracy will be 11. Okay, done. And after that again you will see A, and wait for a while, this will convert to 0 automatically. Yes, and in this case we need to hold set button. Here I can see A, and again I need to press set. Here I can see A1, that means first coin programming. Here I have sample coins, I need to pass through this, and you can see this is the number of samples. Now you can see that first coin programming is done. Now we are moving to second coin. Now second programming is done. So we need to program third coin. Now all the coin programmings are done. Here we are testing. This is the first coin. As you can see that it is 1. That means this coin set to be at 1 pulse. And this is second coin. As you can see that it shows second. Yeah. And after that this is third coin. As you can see that this shows 3. So coin acceptor programming is done. Here is the coin 1. The first LED is on. As you can see that coin 1 is accepted. This is second coin. The second LED is on. As you can see that in the latest record, coin 2 is accepted. Here is the third coin. Third LED is on. As you can see that in the latest entry, coin 3 is accepted. Here is the fourth coin which I haven't programmed in this coin acceptor, so it won't accept. As you can see that it comes out. When I insert it, it automatically comes out.